Heroin use is rampant across Delaware. Now, new data shows users in Sussex County are looking for help in large numbers. Good evening. I'm Paul Butler.
And I'm Chris Weimer. Welcome to WBOC News at 7. A new detox center opened in November. Since then, we're told hundreds of patients have flocked to the center.
Now, just 2 months later, WBOC is taking a look at the numbers, and they show people from Sussex County are heading to the center more than anyone else. Sussex County Bureau Chief Evan Koslov is live in our Sussex County Bureau tonight. And Evan, more than 200 people have gone for treatment so far.
Right, Paul. 210 people to be exact. And of that total, almost 150 of them are from right here in Sussex County. Here at the Connections Withdrawal Management Center, the parking lot is looking pretty full. And inside, the staff has been busy. After a holiday lull, the number of patients have been steady. Just this week, there have been 30 new patients. VP for Health Operations Christopher Starr says 90% of the patients are there for opiates.
I think it is an epidemic, and I think it's something, I think we're seeing the tip of the iceberg.
So what are the numbers? Connections tells WBOC that so far they've had 210 visitors from across the state, but mostly from southern Delaware. 144, or about 70%, are from Sussex County.
In southern Delaware, there's a huge need, and it's a largely underserved and vulnerable population. And we're kind of the initial service to assess what's actually out there, and I think the need is great.
Connections includes two main operations. First is the Withdrawal Management Center, better known as the Detox Center, which serves up to 28 people at a time. They also have an intensive outpatient clinic with up to 30 patients at a time. Over in Georgetown, Jeffrey Benson from the Sussex County Action Prevention Coalition says he's not surprised by the numbers. He says the coalition, which formed to combat addiction in Sussex County, has already referred many to the center.
Here in the Sussex County area, I think many people are surprised just simply because this is more suburbia and the country area. However, the access is just as great.
2 months in, Sussex Countyans are topping the list in looking for help. Now, Starr says one of the more complicated issues that they're running into is that many of their patients are in poor medical health beyond the addiction. He said both high blood pressure and diabetes are rampant in those communities. From the Bureau, I'm Evan Kozloff. Back to you guys.
All right, Evan, thank you very much. Now, here's the breakdown by county. The great majority are from Sussex County with 144 patients. Meanwhile, there have been 58 patients from Kent County, equivalent to just under 30%. Now, Connections has only had 8 patients from Newcastle County.